Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Maila Firdaus Tramoza. I'm from English Education Study Program A class. Teaching narrative reading by using the subtext strategy for Islamic senior high school students. Introduction. English is global language that cannot be separated from our daily life. It becomes an important language since most of the people use English as their daily communication tool. Astrid et al. 2019, Erlina et al. 2019, Marzulina et al. 2019, and Mukminin Ali and Ashari 2015. According to Crystal 2003, English is a global language which is widely used in various countries and in various fields. In addition, Mapais and Johari 2014 state that English language is one of the most spoken languages in the world of today. In Indonesia, English is very important to be mastered. Matarima and Hamdan 2011 state that English language teaching becomes increasingly important as the first foreign language in Indonesia. Therefore, the government requires that all schools in Indonesia, especially at the high school level, to make English as one of subjects taught in the national examination. Mukminin et al. 2018, according to Lauder 2008, it is widely recognized that English is important for Indonesia, and the reason most frequently put forward to this is English is a global international language. Reading has an important role in English. According to Anderson 2003, reading is an essential skill for learners of English. Furthermore, according to Mike Leakey and Jeffries 1998, reading English is important for some reasons such as 1. Reading in English helps students learn to think in English. 2. Reading in English helps students build their English vocabulary. And 3. Reading in English makes students more comfortable with writing in English. 3. Literature review. Reading comprehension and narrative text. Reading comprehension is the main purpose of reading activity. All readers intend to have connection to the material that they read. Of course, the process of reading comprehension is also complex, and it takes time for a reader to acquire the meaning of a reading material. According to Dort and Sophers 2005, comprehending involves interpreting and synthesizing ideas in ways that influence the reader's mind. The readers need to be able to figure out the author's purpose presenting the material, comprehending some valuable information stated in the passage in relation to comprehending the overall content of reading materials. Narrative is text type that tells about story, whether the true story, problematic personal experience, or fictional. However, the general purpose of narrative text is to entertain and engage the reader in an imaginative experience, but actually there are many other purposes of narrative text. It is supported by Knapp and Watkins 2005, who adds that Narrative has a powerful social role beyond that of being a medium for entertainment, and it is also a powerful medium for changing social opinions and attitudes. Langan, 2005, explained that narrative is storytelling, whether relating a single story or several related notes. Truth narration is a statement can be clear by relating in details with something happened. Sub- Subtext strategy. Several theories about subtext strategy have been stated by a number of experts. Leland, Lewison, and Hartz, 2014, defined that subtext strategy helps students to identify meanings that are not explicitly stated in text. It asks students to think about the various characters in a story and write down what they say as well as what they are thinking. In addition, Clyde, 2003, states that subtext strategy engages in making personal connection, developing increasingly strategic inferencing skills, empathizing with characters, and understanding perspectives different from their own. Subtext strategy enables students to reflect critically on text and writing by delving deeply into their own thoughts and feelings as they consider the situation of characters. Methods: research design, research site, and participants. This study used a quasi-experimental design practice posters non-equivalent group design. There were two groups, experimental and control group, which was given the same practice and posters. The experimental group was given treatment by using subtext strategy, but the control group was not. The population of this research was 11th grade students of MA Patra Mandiri Palembang, one of Islamic senior high school in Palembang. Meanwhile, the samples were taken by using confidence sampling. Data collection and analysis. In this study, we use reading comprehension tests in the form of multiple choice to collect the data. The test items in the pretest were the same as those of post-test because the purpose of giving them was to know the progress of students' reading comprehension scores before and after treatment. Pretest was given before the treatment. The purpose of giving pretest to the students was to know the students' English reading comprehension score before implementing subtext strategy. Meanwhile, post-test was given after the treatment. The post-test was administered to know the students' English reading comprehension scores after implementing subtext strategy. The result of this was compared to the result of pre-test in order to measure the students' progress taught by discussion. In addition, we found that the students faced difficulties before the treatment in experimental group. The problems were 1. The lack of students' motivation in reading English text. 2. The students got difficultly to identify the characteristics of the narrative text. 3. The students had poor vocabulary. 4. They could not understand the content of the narrative text. And lastly, 5. Some of the students got difficulties in comprehending of the text. To solve these problems, subtext strategy was conducted to help students in teaching and learning process of narrative reading. When we did the treatment in experimental group, there were significant improvements through subtext strategy after 12 meetings. Finally, based on the explanation above, subtext strategy was successfully applied to the 11th grade students of one Islamic senior high school in Palembang. The statement was supported by two previous related studies, Sastra 2012 and Adela 2014. The previous related students found that subtext strategy is effective to improve students' reading comprehension achievement. In addition, it was also found out that there was a significant difference on students' narrative reading comprehension scores between the students who were taught by using subtext strategy and those who were not. Therefore, the teacher of English can use subtext strategy in teaching and learning process to improve the students' narrative reading achievement. Conclusions. There are some conclusions that can be drawn from this research referred to the findings and interpretation presented in the previous chapter. First, based on the result of practice to post-test subtext strategy significantly improve students' reading comprehension score to the 11th grade students of one Islamic senior high school in Palembang. Second, there was significant difference of students' reading comprehension score to the 11th grade students who were taught by using subtext strategy and those who were taught by the strategy that was usually used by the teacher of one Islamic senior high school in Palembang. Therefore, it can be inferred that the teaching reading comprehension in narrative text by using subtext strategy can be considered as an alternative strategy that can be used. I think that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.